Human beings, unlike snakes, are warm-blooded animals. When it is cold, we preserve heat. When it is hot, we lose heat. Imagine there is a hot cup of tea set outside in cooler air. The air will come in touch with top of the tea and the tea will start losing heat. Instead of being in a cup, if the tea is in a big pot, the surface area of the tea that is in touch with the air will increase and the tea will become cooler even quicker. In hot weathers, the human bodies dilate the blood vessels and increase the blood flow to the skin, thus increasing the surface area of the blood that is in touch with the air, and then lose heat by radiation, electromagnetic waves, conduction to the air, convection if the breeze is flowing, and sweating. Sweat is water. To evaporate it, the heat is sucked out of human body. But remember, when it is too humid outside, we don't sweat as much. Imagine this hot cup of tea, instead of being in a cooler air, was set inside a tandoor oven. The tea will not become cool at all, because for any of this to work, the temperature of the surrounding has to be less than that of the tea. The human body normal average temperature is around 37 degrees centigrade. So when the temperature of the exterior is more than 37, most of these defenses are taken away. This is not medical advice, but do not panic about heat stroke. The people who are at heat stroke risk mostly have other conditions and they are higher risk. We have to be worried a little bit about kids because before puberty they do not sweat as much. So wearing linen clothes, pale color clothes, wearing a hat, appropriate behavior, avoiding heat and avoiding exposure is all good. If you see a heat stroke patient, talk to the doctor, but we do not recommend dousing them in cold water. Dolo does not help. Cold water sponging will help. Drinking cold water will help, but if the patient is not completely conscious, giving him or her water might go into his lungs. At such functions, providing tents that will provide both cover and cool water will help, and we should remove politics from all of that. Dr. Ravi Godse.